Yo, what's going on, boys? We're going to be looking at some fidget toys. Let's get to it. So this one's like the cylinder one, and then this one is the cone, and this one's like the tiny one. So these are like the coolest fidget toys you can have, because you do know that these are some cool toys. And this one's like the keychain dinosaur fidget toy. And it comes with like this hook. It comes with like this hook right there. You can hook it to like your necklace or to like your backpack. Okay. And this one we got is the Fidget Bunny. It has like a nose and eyes. Yeah. And then we got this one. It's like, also actually I got 3 of these. You won't believe it. This is like the coolest part you've ever seen, because this is like the coolest. Shivery. It's like cold out here. And this one we have like the, I don't know what this is called. So this one is like, we have like this is the twirly one. Okay, and then we have the pop tube. Woo! So these fidgets are like cool, and then they could, these like dinosaur fidgets can like be twirled around. My best friend ever gave me this thing, and it's like, it's loud. You won't believe it. Okay, at least this fell. It's just like loud. You won't believe it. And like, this is like the coolest part that you've ever seen. Because look, you see through the nose right there. Alright, so for all of you that's like watching, please subscribe, comment down below, okay? Alright, so this is where it can do like, woo! That just fell off my hand. And then someone's in their house. Someone's in there just using a blender. Alright, so if y'all are watching this, just leave a like, okay? Okay, so this is where you can do like doing this. That's for all. So if you are watching this, then just, sorry I keep saying that. Just look at this thing. Look at these toys. You won't believe it. This is like cool. Right? Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. If y'all liked my videos, comment down below and just smack that like button, okay? Alright, see you later. Peace and subscribe.